Sorry, where are you calling from?
From Immediate Assist. We work on behalf of the insurance company. Quick call today with regards to the accident back in the...
Yes, the accident, yes. I didn't catch the name of your company.
Immediate Assist.
How's that spelt?
IMEDIATE.
Sorry, what was the second word?
Assist, ASSIST.
Oh, I see, yes. Immediate assist. Okay.
Yes.
And, you say you're working with the insurance company. Has the insurance company asked you to contact me?
Yes, sir, that is correct.
So
Part of over 15 different major insurance companies, the likes of Aviva Insurance, Direct Line, Co-op, Frivolous Insurance, and so on.
oh, yes, and they asked you to contact me, did they?
Yes, that's correct, sir. The reason for the call today is basically because it's highlighted on our system there is a figure of £2,989.50.
Oh, yes.
For yourself following the accident. Now, was you aware of this compensation at all, sir?
No, I'm not aware of any compensation. No.
Right. Well, this compensation, it has been set aside.
It's been set aside, you say?
Yes, for the inconvenience, aggravation, stress, and discomfort that the accident would have caused you. So, of course, how was you feeling after the accident?
How did I feel? Well, I was shocked.
Yes, of course. I believe the third party went into the rear of your vehicle, is that correct?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
The other person which went into the rear of your vehicle?
Yes, the police car went into the back of me.
The police car went into the back of you, right, okay. So I'd still imagine it must have been a horrible feeling being involved in the accident. Imagine you would have suffered with some aches and pains and
Well, yes, I did have some aches and pains. I'll tell you what happened, yes? I was just taking the spaniel out for his driving lesson, because his little fairy feet can just about reach the pedals. We were driving along, just pootling along about 5 miles an hour, and everything was fine. And then he caught sight of an emergency vehicle, an ambulance. And you know what he's like when he sees a vehicle. He just floored the accelerator. I was jerked along, got terrible whiplash. Just because whenever he sees an ambulance, he just has to chase it. Do you know anything about ambulance chasing in your line of work? Yes. Yes.
So you're trying to say they were ambulance chaser?
Yes.
Oh, you wussy old man, you. God, you're wussy.
Yes. Well, the thing is, I don't really understand why you're phoning me.
It's with regards to children, you must know it's with regards to the accident you was unfortunately involved in. Unfortunately, no, because you did it too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, the call's ended. Oh, what a shame. Hello?
Hello, is that a message?
Hello?
Hello there. My name's Max, calling from Proactive Assist.
Right.
A quick one for yourself. We're just in the middle of closing some files down for Royal Alliance Insurance.
I'm sorry?
Your report come here with your car.
Right.
So we're trying to close your file down here, and it's come up that you've had an accident
You've got a file on me, you say?
last year.
Right.
So we're trying to close this file down, and
Why have you got a file on me?
well, obviously we work alongside some of the major insurance companies.
You're working alongside the major insurance companies? Why are you doing that?
Because they employ us to close files down for them.
They employ, so my insurance company has asked you to have a file on me.
Yeah.
Right. And what is my insurance company?
Sorry, your insurance company?
My insurance company, yes.
Okay. Just give me 2 seconds. Let me bring the rest of your file up.
Oh, right.
Insurance company.
You don't know immediately.
Beaver Insurance.
Oh, right, I see.
Yes.
Okay, yes, yes.
So obviously.
So, have they asked you to ring me?
Well, we're ringing you because we're trying to close your file down. Obviously, you're after.
Right, and they've asked you to ring me, have they?
Sorry?
Have they asked you to ring me?
Well, we're ringing everyone on their file. Obviously, we're closing reports down for them.
You're closing down reports for Aviva.
Yeah.
So Aviva employ you to close down reports.
Yes.
I see.
I don't know how many times you've asked that.
Well, I'm just trying to clarify it. And what was the name of your company again?
A proactive assist.
Proactive Assist.
Looking here.
Yes?
Just looking here, obviously you crashed into Mrs.
Oh.
She was stationary and you crashed into the back of her.
Oh, is that what happened? I see. Yes.
I see Mr. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, crashed into you. Did you crash into her?
Ah, I see. That's what the file says, is it? Right.
Yeah, that's what this one says, yes. That's not what happened.
What? Well.
That's not what happened.
Well, you must have the files because you got them. I presume you got the file from Aviva, did you?
Yeah, and we're just trying to confirm this.
Well, I get a bit forgetful these days. Yes.
And to confirm with you.
Oh right. Yes.
Okay.
Right. Yes. Okay.
What actually happened in the accident?
What happened in the accident? Well, where do you start, really?
Yeah.
Yes. Well.
Yes.
Yes.
So, how did the accident actually happen? Yes.
Well, the accident. Well, it was an accident, on the road.
So, did you? Obviously, you wasn't at fault for it.
No, it wasn't my fault at all. I wasn't even at the wheel.
You wasn't at the wheel?
No.
Oh, who was at the wheel?
Well, the spaniel.
Hello?
Yes.
What? Sorry? Your wife?
If you say so. Although she's been dead these 40 years. So I don't think it can be her. Well, I mean, you've got all the details in the file that you're closing down.
I've got down you're the policy holder of the car.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If you said you wasn't driving, it's got down here there's no name drivers. So is that's not illegal?
What?
You've got no name drivers down on the policy here.
That's right. Yes.
So why was you not driving? How was someone else driving?
Well, it was a driving lesson, you see.
It was what? Sorry.
A driving lesson.
A driving lesson?
Yes.
I see. And do you know the client's name at all, or address, or contact number?
Well, surely that's all in the details you've got.
You didn't pass them over at all?
Well, I couldn't pass them over because I'm not going to grass up my spaniel for something that he did that that I wasn't expecting.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, your spaniel is entitled to £2,989.50.
Oh, that's a very precise number. Very nice round figure. Where's this money coming from?
Very odd number.
Where's the money coming from?
Well, basically, the money's come from Frivolous Insurance, which was Mr. Insurance Company.
Oh, I see.
Obviously, because he was at fault.
Yes.
In the accident, yourself,
right.
your spaniel, and Mrs.
Right.
Claim of his insurance.
Oh, I see. Right. Yes. But the claim's already been done and dusted. I mean, it was back in September the accident happened. It was all done, by about the start of this year. So why would Privilege suddenly say, "Oh, we've got $2,000 sloshing about. Let's give it to the major"?
I'm not saying I've got that for you. I'm saying that you can claim that. That's what.
Oh, I could claim it, but you haven't got it for me. Oh.
Oh no! If I had it in my pocket, I wouldn't be working, sir. Basically, your file's still open and you're still getting calls because of that being outstanding. So, when you say it's all sorted,
Yes.
do you mean you've been paid out?
No, I haven't received that. I simply got the money that I claimed on the insurance.
On the insurance?
Yes.
For car damage or personal injury?
It was for car damage because there was no personal injury.
Oh, was there not?
No.
That there was.
No. Why would there be?
Because privilege have made the assumption that there was minor hassle, stress and aches and pains
Did they?
6 to 7 weeks after the accident.
Right.
Put the money aside.
Privilege did. Well, that's very unlike privilege because they're normally, you know, they're not really looking to pay out any more than they want to.
Exactly.
Yes.
So, I don't know whether you want to just claim this money so we can close the file and stop calling you.
I'm not entitled to any money. I'm sick of this compensation culture.
I'm sure, of course you are entitled to this money.
I'm not entitled to the money because there was no
Why is that?
There was no personal injury.
As long as you were to agree with that, then you'd be more than welcome to get this money and stop these calls.
Well, I doubt it would stop these calls.
I can guarantee you it would.
Well, it might stop calls from your particular ambulance chaser company, but it won't stop the rest of them.
Oh, it will though, because obviously, as I said, I'm trying to close the file down for a Beaver, direct line and privilege. And as I said, it won't let me because of the outstanding compensation, and it is just yours. I've just checked now, and she's already claimed hers.
Yes. Well, I don't think...
It's just your one, basically.
It's just me that's holding you up. Yes. Well, I dare say, you know, I've only got a few more years to live, you know. Might make it to 100.
Claim this. Why don't you claim this money? Take the money and do something nice.
Because I'm not entitled to the money. If I were to say I had personal injuries or stress that required compensation of £2,000 plus, then I'd be committing fraud. And in encouraging me to commit fraud, you'd be put in the slammer yourself.
No, I'm not encouraging to nothing. I'm just saying the money is there for yourself.
But I'm not entitled to the money.
As long as you were to agree with the assumption that has already been made, then you'd be well in place to get this money. I don't see what the problem is. Was Mrs. injured at the time of the accident?
I'm sorry?
Was Mrs. injured at the time of the accident?
No.
Oh, it seems like she wasn't, and she's already claimed her money.
I expect she has, yes.
So, why can't
Yes, you looked like a wrong un from the start. You see, your details are all wrong. I was at the front of the queue. She hit me after he hit her. So she may well have claimed for being hurt when he went into the back of her. But I didn't get any injuries. We're all in stationary. Well, she and I were in stationary traffic till he came along and hit her, and she was shunted along a few miles an hour, shunted into me, caused a tiny bit of damage that was reimbursed after it was fixed. Yes. So it's all very, very straightforward. So you see, I'm not entitled to any money.
Well, don't you want to stop these calls, no?
Yes, I want to stop the calls. I want you never to call me again. Yes.
Why don't you claim the money then?
I'm not wanting to claim any money. And I think you want me to claim money because I think you probably get some commission if I were to claim money.
Oh, I don't. It's no bother to me. I'll hang up on you right away. But as I said, I'm just trying to help myself.
Well, you're not helping me. I don't know, you young people today, you have no sense of what's right and wrong.
It's £3,000, and don't you...
It's £3,000 now. It's gone up.
Well, it's near £3,000. It's £2,989.
Right. Goodness me.
If you want me personally...
That's inflation, really, if you like.
Put £12 into it out of my own money. I'll happily do that.
Right, that's very generous, yes.
Do you want me to tell you the bottom line, Mr.
The bottom line, yes?
The multi-million-pound insurance company has put your details onto a database,
Yes.
which 450 companies can access.
Oh, right, 450 companies, yes? Yes?
There is over 450 companies. You've probably had about 400 of them call you already.
Right, yes.
Your details will stay on there until 2017 because you get 5 years to make this claim.
Oh, I see.
If you don't make this claim, right,
Yes?
the insurance company will take that money back.
Yes?
Also put Mr. Insurance up.
Yes.
They're making money if you don't claim this.
Right, how terrible, yes. How terrible of a company to make a profit, yes.
Yeah, if you want to know what's right and wrong, I think it's wrong for the insurance company to put your details out on a database, say you was injured when you wasn't.
Yes.
Give you all the hassle of these calls.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you think that's right, then
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes, really. I can hear your heart bleeding from here, yes.
So why don't you just make the claim and stop the calls?
Because I don't believe in it.
You don't believe in it?
No.
Do you believe in getting calls every day for the next 5 years?
Well, that sounds like a threat to me.
As I've said, there's over 400.
Are you threatening me, young man?
There's over 450 companies with your details at the moment that will try and contact you over the next 5 years.
Oh, yes. And they'll get just the same short shrift as you do.
Well, I'm just trying to help you at the moment, you know. I don't really know why you don't want to stop the calls and why you wouldn't want £3,000. But at the end of the day, Mr. As I said, it really doesn't matter to me what you do. You know, for all I care, you can get calls, you can take the money, you can do what you want. So it's
Yes.
nothing to bother me at all.
No, good.
Okay, so you don't want the money and you don't want the calls to stop.
No, I do want the calls to stop, but I don't want money.
Well, it comes
So-
to the package, you see, you've got to do both.
Oh, really? Is that how it works? That doesn't seem to be in my favour at all.
Well, you're getting £3,000 out of it, so I wouldn't know why it's not in your favour.
But I'd only get the money if I made a fraudulent claim.
Wouldn't be fraudulent, see.
It would be fraudulent because I had no personal injuries. And the only stress I get from the whole accident situation is people like you ringing me up.
Ringing you up and trying to give you money and trying to help you stop the calls. Is that really a bad thing?
Encouraging me to commit fraud, that's a bad thing.
I'm not encouraging you to do anything. I'm just trying to help you stop the calls.
Oh, no, I don't think you are, actually, because you would have ended this call some time ago if you were trying to stop the calls.
Well, you'd get another one, though. Maybe sometime today or tomorrow off another company.
How delightful.
It is. At the end of the day, Mr. You know, I've tried to help you as much as I can, so I'm going to let you go now and hope for the best, okay?
Yes. Yes, you do that.
Okay, you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, missing you already.
Oh, love you. Love you.
Ah, that's that one.